Welcome y'all to Mama Rachel's Southern Cooking. Tonight I'm going to make some homemade fudge. It's just a quick way, and I'm going to make some maple nut, which is one of my favorites. But what I'm going to do is I'm using 2 bags of white chocolate chips. But make sure when you do this to put it in a microwave safe bowl. So a glass bowl or stoneware will work the best. Use 2 bags, and I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of regular butter, salted butter. And 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Now I'm going to stick this in the microwave for probably about 2 minutes. Okay, let's check it and see if it's hot enough. Yeah. You just stir it around in your bowl till the chocolate chips melts, because as you stir it around, it will melt. Just continuously stir it. Now you can do different fudges this way, like orange cream. I'll do orange cream this way too. I'll just take out about a cup of it and put it in a bowl and add orange flavoring to it and food coloring to it, and then when I put it in a thing, then I'll just run it through it, and it makes a real good orange cream fudge, and it's quick. You can also do Oreo fudge this way. Crunch up a cup of crunched up Oreos and make Oreo fudge too. Okay, as you can see, all the chocolate chips now is melted. So now I'm going to add, now I always shake up your extracts and stuff, because if you ain't used them in a little while or something, or they can always be settled on the bottom of them. So you want to get the full flavor. This is a 1/2 tablespoon. Certain kinds you get is stronger than others. So I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon. And just mix that up. Now I've got a bag of diced up chopped pecans, just a little small bag. Just a little small bag, but I'm not going to put all of them in it. I'm just going to probably put about 1/2 of them in. And just mix them up evenly. Okay, now I've got a dish here, and now I sprayed mine just lightly with the butter cooking spray, just so it would be easier to get out of the pan. You can also, if you wanted to, line it with parchment paper. That way you can just lift it straight out if you wanted to slice it. Just spread it out in your pan. Now I'm going to set this in the freezer for about 30 minutes. And then we'll come back and we'll show you what it looks like when we can cut it. So we'll be back in just a little bit. Welcome back, y'all. I've got our fudge out of the freezer, and I'm gonna slice it up. You can cut this as bigger pieces as you want. I'm just gonna cut out a piece just to let you see. You can put it in a little smaller pan if you like it thicker or whatever. But now what I do, when, like, this is an expensive fudge to make, where it uses the white chocolate chips. And a lot of times what I do is if I go to Big Lots or maybe to Ollie's or, you know, someplace like that that's discounted. Sometimes you can run into the white chocolate chips for about half what you would find them anywhere else. And I'll bring them home and I'll put them in the freezer. And that way I've got them when I just need something quick, you know, to take somewhere or something other, if we're just wanting something sweet at home. But when you run up on the white chocolate chips and stuff like that, you know, it's good to buy them up and you can put them in the freezer and just lay them out like that morning. If you're going to use them that evening, lay them out that morning and just let them thaw out good and they're ready to go. But and that's how I done with these, you know, so you can see that it works when you just freeze them. And but just remember to like and to share and leave comments. I'd love to have everybody's comments. But we thank you all and God bless.